Are you looking to make your site more secure, or do you need to because of stricter energy codes? My name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting, and today we're going to talk about site lighting controls from Signify called SiteWise. SiteWise is an area lighting management system. Whether security, cost savings, energy savings, or if you just want to access your luminaires at your site, you can trust that SiteWise will be a great solution for your business. One of the biggest benefits of SiteWise is that there's no additional wiring required. Use the existing 120 to 347 volts there. For new builds, you can also trust that this is going to be a very cost-effective solution because you don't need that extra wiring. You also can access the lighting right from your BMS, and this hits NECB 2017. When we think about what businesses require and how they would like one system to control all of their outside lighting, SiteWise covers that full spectrum. Whether you need to light a parking lot, a sidewalk, or right in front of the business, you're able to do that with the one system. And you're able to access all of your lighting right from your device, anywhere in the world, even from the comforts of your home. The system works with a gateway. This is a very simple and easy system to install in your business. There's not much equipment that's needed on site. Now, let's take a look at our app. Here, we have two different options available. We have an automatic schedule. Say, for example, our lights, we can have them automatically turn off every day at 12 o'clock. And we also have a manual scene option available as well. Say, for example, somebody comes into your yard at 1 in the morning. You then could access right from your device at home to set those lights to 100% or 75% while somebody grabs something from your yard. Here is a calendar view of your lighting. Whether you want to have a special day that your lighting will have a different scene set, or if you want to set, as an example, during weekdays at 12:30, you want your lights to dim down to 25% to realize some cost savings. You're able to do that easily. And when we look at our luminaires, there's a number of options available. Whether we need a wall pack or a bollard, a floodlight, there's many options available as we can see here and more. Again, my name is Michael Gonzalez from LSW Lighting. If you have any questions about the SiteWise system, call me or somebody from our team. We would love to help. Thank you for your time.